guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about on how to use the joystick in Overcooked game. So sometimes when you play Overcooked, the joystick doesn't work. So in order to do that, first you have to open the browser and you search for the Xbox 360. As for Overcooked game, it is considered as 32-bit game, so you have much to click this, which is the download for 32-bit games. So just click here and download. So we put here and we extract. Okay, first we have to open this application first. So and make sure your joystick is plugged in into your computer. So just click here. So if this arrow open like this, just click the clip. Just click next and so just click finish. As you can see here is red. So in order to fix that, just go to controller settings and you click this most popular setting for my controllers. So just choose any of these. So I choose this. Yes. So the light screen, which is we can use here. So I can test the joystick here. As you can see, it's moving. So if the button is not synced with what is your press on your joysticks, just click here, which is the Y button, where it should be at X, but it is a Y. So just click record for the X button and just click on your joystick. So it will record and we replace the Y button and with the on our joystick. So it's here. So after we finish with that, just click save and we just close the application. So there are two files that are produced from this application, so make sure copy those two files and click copy. And for the go to the desktop and search for the Overcooked icon, or go to the directory of the Overcooked open file location. So just paste here. So after you do this, the joystick will be working fine in this Overcooked. So that's all from me. Thank you.